Alright, what is up guys? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to yet another video on my channel, Ecom Valley. So today guys, I'm going to be talking about our craziest week on our Shopify dropshipping store. This was the week we did 55k within 7 days, absolutely insane numbers. And the best part is we did all of this without spending any money on ads, literally spending $0 on ads. If you guys have seen my last couple of videos, if you're a returning viewer, you know how I'm advertising. Basically, we're posting ads on classified ad websites like secondhand marketplaces like Kijiji, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, Gumtree, and there's so many more, and we're posting it across all of them, and we're getting massive traffic using this method for completely free. All of these websites allow you to post for completely free, as you can see. 3,000 store sessions. Now guys, this method is so unsaturated. I've actually not seen any other Shopify dropshippers take advantage of this. I've actually not even seen any other Shopify dropshipping YouTubers talk about this, and it's still so unsaturated, guys. There's so much room here, and there's literally infinite products using this method, but it is going to get unsaturated in the near future, but right now it's such a golden opportunity. But yeah, if you guys are a new viewer, you guys are about to get mind blown. I'm about to show you guys the entire strategy. And if you guys are a returning viewer, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 secret tips that I haven't shown you guys in the last few videos that helps so much with this strategy. So yeah, stay tuned, you guys are gonna. And something I forgot to mention in my last video is, as you guys can see, our average order value right here is very high. So we're selling very high ticket products, and the reason why high ticket products tend to work better on these secondhand marketplaces is because there's limited traffic, right? There's a limited amount of people searching for specific products on these marketplaces. So when you have a high ticket product, even if there is low traffic, you can still perform very, very well. As you can see, our total orders was 127, pretty good, but nothing crazy, right? Nothing insane. But just off of 127, we managed to pull absolutely insane numbers because the product was so high ticket. Usually in paid ads like Facebook ads, this doesn't matter, because if it's profitable, you can just keep increasing your budget. You can just keep scaling further and further. But using these websites where you're posting free ads, you're going to reach a limit where there's just no more traffic and you've basically scaled as far as you can. But I just want to show you guys, if we actually go to our online store sessions by traffic source, so this shows you where customers are coming in from, you can see that obviously we have this direct source. And if you watch my previous video, you guys know I explained all the traffic that comes from these classified ads websites, like secondhand marketplaces, is direct. So they directly go on the URL and it shows up as direct here. And you can also see here that only 1,400 of these were actually from Kijiji. The rest of them were actually from Craigslist, OfferUp, Gumtree. Facebook Marketplace performed very, very well. Facebook Marketplace was one of the best ones. But Kijiji was by far our top performer. And I don't know why only Kijiji shows up here in the Shopify stats. For some reason, Shopify doesn't recognize the other websites. But Kijiji was our best performer, and our store is a Canadian store, so that kind of makes sense. But I just want to tell you guys, you're not only limited to Kijiji, there's all these other websites that also worked for us. And since it's free, you might as well go posting your ad on across all of these websites, because it's literally free and it's not even that time taking, so why wouldn't you do? But yeah, you can also see there's some traffic from search and some from our social media. It wasn't that much, but this traffic from our search actually got us a decent amount of sales. And I had nothing to do with this, guys. I literally did not spend a single second optimizing the search engine for Google. I'm not a Google guy at all. I know a lot of people spend time, on SEO and trying to rank on Google. I literally did nothing, and we just managed to rank on Google's search engine. I think it was just because our store was getting popular and people started talking about us naturally on Google. But yeah, pretty interesting to see. Like, I literally did nothing and we just managed to get some sales from search engine as well. And then this right here, obviously this is the sales by traffic source. You can see it shows that most of them were from direct. They were from these classified ad websites. And then there's also one here, unknown. To be honest with you guys, I have no idea what this is. Maybe like the customers were using like a VPN or something. I have no idea, but Shopify registered it as unknown. Yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button. In this video, I'm actually going to be talking about something else, which is very important. Someone actually asked, how do you test products effectively? Because in my other video, I showed you guys a bunch of examples of possible products that might work. but I didn't really tell you guys how to test it properly. And there's an insane way that you can test your products on this website instantly for completely free and so easily, guys. It's so easy to test products on this website. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do it. So obviously this is a secondhand marketplace, and the best way you can test products, guys, you don't even need to create a website. All you have to do is find whatever product you're selling. So let's say it's like an electric bike. And what you want to do is you actually want to come in here and post your ad even before you make your website. Just post your product and post the price you're going to be selling it at and see how many people message you, because people actually message you back on this website. It's a feature, and all of the other websites. So see how many people are actually messaging you back willing to buy this product at that specific price. And if you get a good amount of messages and within a good amount of time, that's how you know that this product is easily scalable. Other than that, guys, it's really hard to tell. It's almost random. You really don't know which products are being searched often on these websites and which are not. And that's why I told you guys, my best performing product, I actually wasn't expecting it at all. I was not expecting it to perform like that at all. It completely blew my mind. And it doesn't have to be the typical ecom product with like a wow factor. It could be a very simple product, but you just have to test it out and see if it's getting enough traffic on these websites and see if enough people are willing to buy at that price. So all you have to do is just post. You don't even need to link your website. You don't even need to build anything yet. If you just have a product in mind, go ahead, post it, see if it gets enough traction, enough views, enough messages. And then after that, if it seems successful, then you can go on to make your website and link it up to the ad and all of that. So yeah, that's the very first important tip. Super important, guys. It's such an efficient way of testing products. Now, the second thing I actually wanted to show you guys is this is one of the products I also talked about in my last video, a boxing bag. I never actually got time to try this out myself, but why are we in Ottawa? Let's go to Toronto. So yeah, let's go to Toronto. Toronto is obviously the most populated place in Canada. So this is actually one of the products I talked about. Wait, why is there no ads here? This is weird. Why is there no... Oh, we're in bikes. Oh, okay, that's why. Let's go to all categories. So boxing bag in all categories, and it was these guys. So this is the example I wanted to show you guys. Obviously, great product. I already talked to you guys about this. I actually tested this one out. I never went and made a website. I never actually got the time to do that because I just have so many products on my plate. I had better ones to pick from. But this one did get a lot of messages when I actually just posted it without a website, without anything. I just posted a picture of the punching bag and the price I thought I could get it at from China. And it got a lot of messages. So I know this is a proper product and these guys are taking advantage of it. As you can see, they have their website linked right down here. Perfect, exactly how you should be doing it. And the secret tip that I wanted to tell you guys here that is absolutely insane, it's mind-blowing, and it's actually what we did, and these guys have replicated it perfectly. I don't know how these guys found out about it, but however they found out about it, they're doing a perfect job. So this is their account right here, and if you actually go on their listings, you can see, so this one is posted in Mississauga, but Kijiji actually allows you to post in any city you want, as many times as you want. So if we go on their listings, you can see they've posted the same listing in Mississauga, Edmonton, Winnipeg, Calgary, Edmonton again for some reason, Calgary twice again for some reason, and then city of Toronto. So Kijiji actually allows you to post across all the cities, and this is exactly what we did to scale our product and get insane traffic. We literally posted in all the cities in Toronto. Obviously not every single one. What I do is I go online and I search most populated locations in Canada and just go around posting them there. Obviously you can't cover every single spot, there's so many of them, but if you cover all the major ones, you can literally like 20x your traffic, guys. It's insane how well this works. And yeah, I thought these guys were doing a perfect job at it, but like they have like 3 ads in Calgary. They should be having an ad in Vancouver. Vancouver is one of the most populated spots in Canada, so they're like lacking a little bit, but they have the right idea, which is you can post all these ads. And here's the secret, guys. Kijiji, if you spam, they actually remove your ads for spam. But this is exactly what we did to bypass this, that these guys are doing too. Even though they're all the same exact ad, what we do is we change one single letter or one single word inside of the title and inside of the description, and then it wouldn't get flagged as spam in Kijiji's algorithm. So you can see right here, they have this one as sale, they have this one as limited time, they have this one as sale now, they have this one as sale, clearance sale. So all they did was they changed the word in every single ad, and this is exactly what we're doing to be able to bypass the spam algorithm on Kijiji and post across all the cities. So it's an insane way to scale. Now, Gumtree also allows you to scale in the same exact way, and so does OfferUp. But Facebook Marketplace, which is one of the best ones out there, actually doesn't allow you to do this. Facebook is very smart. It only allows you to post in your own city, and there's nothing you can do to bypass it, guys. I've tried VPNs, I've tried all that kind of stuff. Facebook is very smart. It can always tell when you're using a VPN and everything. So yeah, unfortunately in Facebook, you can only post in your own city, but using all these other websites and Kijiji, which is the best performing one, you can post in all of the cities, as many as you want. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm going to be dropping my next video teaching you guys exactly how to post the ads and post them from different countries, no matter where you live, because so many people have been asking me about that. And you guys, I just want to see you guys ask amazing questions. Like, I can tell that you guys listen attentively and watch my entire videos completely, because the question you guys ask are perfect. You guys ask exactly what you should be asking, and exactly the things I forget to touch up on, you guys ask those questions. So I absolutely love this community. And I've also been getting a lot of comments that people are asking how can they post on websites like Kijiji that's only located in Canada. How can they post when they're outside of Canada, like in the US or whatever? Now, Facebook Marketplace, which is one of the best ones, guys, allows you to post wherever you are. It's available in US, Canada, and like basically all the countries, all the main countries. So that's not a problem. And Gumtree also allows you to post wherever you want, and so does Craigslist, but Kijiji actually allows you to only post in Canada. However, guys, I have found a method that allows you to bypass this, and I've been using it, and I've also found the method that allows you to absolutely scale incredibly, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I post the ads and do all of that in my next video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys the entire method for every single one of these websites that I've been using, and I'm going to show you guys how you can even post no matter where you are, and how you can get your Kijiji account trusted. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.